Assalamu alaikum. My dear student, I hope all of you are very good. Good morning to all of you. And you know that we have started arithmetic chapter 1 and we will continue it. Already 2 lectures we have taken. Okay, and yesterday just I started how to find the square root using prime factorization method. Okay, we'll discuss more today and we'll discuss another one. This is division method and so on, some other topics also. Okay, so first just let me know sound quality, video, everything okay or not. Within very short time we are going to start. Okay, just let me know. Everything is okay. Write your name, rules section, and of course just comment about sound, comment about video quality and everything. Okay, anyone write about sound quality? Everything is okay. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so let's start. Or I have written here irrational number, the chapter's name. Okay, and today's topics, what we are going to discuss today. Okay, discussion topics. Okay, if we know our contents, what we are going to discuss, what is the materials to discuss today's class, I think it's very easy. Okay, so first I am writing our topics. Okay, first we will discuss about prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Okay, second we will discuss about division method. Okay, and if we get time, we will discuss about how to convert a non-square number, a non-square number into a square number. Okay, we will discuss. We have some materials, we have some methods. Okay, if any number is not a square number, we can apply some method, some formula to convert it to a square number. Okay, we can add any numbers, we can subtract any numbers, we can divide and we can multiply. Okay, and we can convert a non-square number. We know this which number is not a perfect square number. Okay, if we get in unit place, in a number in unit place, if we get 2, 3, 7, 8, we can surely say those numbers are not a perfect square number. Okay, so we can convert those numbers into a perfect square number using different kinds of way. Okay, so if we get time, we'll do that one also. Okay, first we will discuss about prime factorization method. We will do some problems, and after that we will discuss about division method, and we will also solve some problems using division method. Okay, so first let's start from prime factorization method. Okay, so prime factorization method, I told you we start the class a little bit. So first we are starting from prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Okay, so we have to find out just prime factors of any numbers, and we can see if we get this every single prime factors as pairwise, we can say okay, that number can be a, or that number will be a perfect square number, and we'll find out we'll just took from every single pair we will take single number and we will multiply all this and we will get square root. Okay, so we can take a number, for example, which one I have to take? Just I am taking one from the exercise. I'm taking one number from the exercise. Okay, for example 1521. Okay, for example 151521, a number I have taken, and I will use this prime factorization method and find it out what is the square root of that number. Okay, so look at that. Here is 15, here is 21. So easily we can say this number can be divided by 3. So if we divide 3 by 3 of this number, so what will be? In 15 it is 5. Okay, and after the 2, it's not possible to divide by 3, 2, so we will going to 1, so it is 21, and at a time we have taken 2 numbers, so we have to put here 1 0. Okay, and it is 7. Do you understand how I divide it? Do you understand? This is another method how to divide. Okay, look at that. For example, here any other numbers I am taking. For example, 1 4 4 4. Okay, or any other numbers you can take, no problem. If you want, we can take 1 4 4 or some other numbers also, it's okay. So look at that, how to divide. So just I am dividing 2 is 14. 1 is not possible to divide by 1, so I am going to 4, so it is 14. 14 divided by 2, it will be 7. Okay, and after that I am going to 4, so 4 divided by 2, it is 2, and after that I am going to again 4, so it will be 2. So this is another way to divide a number by any prime number. Okay, so if you don't feel good with that method, I mean this dividing, how to divide, you can use your own way, no problem. Okay, just I feel good, and I feel it takes a little very short time, I think. So, and after that 3 is 5, then 0 is 7, and after that which one I have to take? I think it's possible to divide by 3. Okay, so here 5, if we divide 5 divided by 3, of course it will go just 1, so we have 2 0, so 20 divided by 3, it must be 6 here. Okay, again we have 2 here, 2 7 is 27, so 27 divided by 3, it must be 9. Do you understand how I divide here? Look at that, 5 I divided by 3, so it must be 1 here. Okay, and after that here 2 is remaining, so 2 0, it is 20, so 20 divided by 3, it is 6, because 3 6 multiply 18, we cannot take 7, it will go more, 21. Okay, so we have taken 6 here, so 3 6 18, we had 20, so 2 is remaining, 2 7 is 27, so 27 divided by 3. So in manual system, look at that here, 507, if we divide by 3, so 5 divided by 3, it's 1, so it's 3 here, so here 2, we have taken 0, so it is 6. Okay, it is 18, again we have taken 2, it's 27 here. Okay, we have to take 9, it is 27. So it takes long time. I think it's very easy method. If you go with me, if you understood very well, I think this method is it will take very short time. Okay, but if you don't understand clearly, you can use this method also, no problem, in your rough work. Okay, and after that we can divide 169. We know that this 13 divided by 13 into 13, it is 169. So we can write this number 151521 equal 3 into 3 into 13 into 13 into 13. So look at that here, 2 pair, 3 into 3 is 1 pair, 13 into 13 is another pair. Okay, so for finding the square root, we will take just only one number from a single pair. So when we write this root over 1521, I mean 1521, we must take just only 1 from each pair. Okay, my dear student, I hope all of you are understanding what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, and after just within very few seconds we are going to complete this problem. Okay, so 1521 square root equals 3 into 13. 3 into 13 equals 39. So that is our required answer. I hope all of you understood. Just write in the comments, okay, everything is okay or not. Do you understand clearly or not? So everything is okay. Very good. Sir, everything is clear. Very good. Okay. All of you understood what I explained here in our first maths. First make the copy, okay, and just tell me, do you understand clearly or not? Okay, if you don't understand clearly, I will explain it again. No need. We have to show rough work in the exam. It's no need. Okay, you don't need to show the rough work in the side. It's no need. Okay, it's your personal. If you can do without rough work, if you are brilliant, of course some student we have, they are very brilliant. Okay, you can do your own way, no problem. No need to show the rough work in the side. Okay, if you do some rough work in the side, it's okay, no problem. But if you don't show it, it's also fine. Okay. Super easy, better than the division method, of course. Division method also easy, Baba. I don't understand, okay. Fahmida Angelina, you don't understand. Dude, okay, not dude. I am here, why mentioning me? Okay. Sharifa Kibriya, I did not understand, sir. Lots of students have written here. You understand clearly, but some of you have written, you don't understand, no problem. Okay, I will explain. Just you have to do the prime factorize. Okay, so it's a little big number. I think in class 6 you have learned lots of big numbers. Okay, and you know how to divide it. Okay, so look at that. Here's 1521. So easily we can understand that it's not possible to divide by 1. Okay, because last number is 1. When any number is odd number. Do you know what is odd number? Odd number, you know that what is odd number and what is even number. The number which is divided by 2, it is called even number, and the number which is not possible to divide by 2, it is called odd number. Okay, the number which is divided by 2, it is called even number, and the number which is not possible to divide by 2, it is called odd number. So it is an odd number, so it's not possible to divide by 2. So 2 is not possible. We have to try by 3. So look at that here, 1521. So this number must divide by 3. Okay, so we have taken 3 here. We have the first here is 1, or you can do this way, or you can do your own way. You can divide here. Okay, look at that. You can just divide 1521 divided by 3. So what it is here, this 1 first is 1, so 1 is not possible to divide by 3 here. We have taken 5, so 1 5 it is 15. So 15 divided by 3, it must be 5 here. Okay, so it is 15, and we have taken 2, so it's not possible to divide by 2. Again we have to take 1. So when we take two numbers from the dividend, okay, when we take two numbers at a time from the dividend, we have to put 1 0 here. Understood, all of you who has written? You don't understand. When we take two numbers from the dividend part at a time, okay, we have to put 1 0 here. Okay, so already I have put here 1 0. So here is 21 divided by 3, it is 7. Okay, so it is 21. Look at that here, 507. And again 507 divided by 3. So I have divided here 507 divided by 3. Okay, so 5 divided by 3, it's 1 here, so it is 3. Here is 2, we have taken 0. Already I have done here, sorry. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Just write in the, I am also here. Okay, write in the comments all of you understood or not. Understand, sir. Angelina, you have written you didn't understand. Now you have written. Okay, understood, sir. Very good. Okay, in chapter 4, 5, 6, I haven't. We learned how to find ACF. Here the same things with just one number only. Okay, what you have written? Sabir Hussain. Okay, yeah, understood, sir. Very good. Okay, look, we just, this is this month of January, okay, and we started just only our maths. Okay, don't take very pressure to you. Okay, just take it easily, try to understand. If you don't understand, just again and again just tell me, sir, I don't understand. I will repeat it. I will try to discuss in different way. First I did directly, and after that I am also doing this inside of how it's occurred here. Okay, so all of you have to understand actually what it is, how to do it, because in the exam you will face 1 or 2 maths from prime factorization method and division method. So if you don't understand in the class, I think it's problematic for you, and later you will put in yourself in a pressure. Okay, and after that I think it's problematic for you to understand everything. Okay, so this is prime factorization method, and in exercise 1.1 we have some problems related to prime factorization method. Okay, so all of you just do one problem. Okay, one, or you can do just various. Just all of you just do one maths. I think. Right now, just do one maths and tell me the answer. 144. Okay, all of you just try to do it. 144 for 1444. Okay, and find the square root. Find the square root. Find out the square root. Square root using prime factorization method. Okay, all of you do it right now. All of you do it. Okay, I want to see how you are doing and how many students can solve instantly. Okay, just do it. All of you do it. Okay, all of you just do it, this one right now. Okay, your time only 2-3 minutes time. Okay, so you can do very easily. It's not very difficult. You have to try. Okay, my dear student, just try it. I think so, because the questions can be asked us use either of the two. Don't discuss about some other topics in the class. Okay, just try to concentrate. Okay, if anyone discuss about some other topics, your concentration goes in another way. Okay, just try to do it, all of you. All of you do it. Try to do it just. Yes, Alhamdulillah, more than 100 students are doing class. Okay, and invite or just ask your all other friends to join the class. Okay, if I think all of you who already joined in our group, okay, already you have paid everything, okay, of last year, so you are paying for the study. Okay, you have to attend the class. If all the time or morning time, if you slept, I think everything, all efforts and everything in the pandemic time, your parents of course have problems to paying money, of course, so their working for you, they are paying everything for you. So if you use your time to study, I think everything will be pay off for them. Okay, so all of student, I'm just requesting to you, attend the class, ask the questions to us. Okay, we will all the time, we are ready to give you answer properly. Okay, all the time, we are just ready to help you. You need to ask me, you need to ask some other teachers also. Just you have to attend, you have to remain present in the class all the time. Okay, all classes. 38. All of you have written 38. Okay, 38. How many students written 38? Okay, don't use calculator or some other materials, electronic materials. Okay, you have to do it. It's not possible to see how you have done it, but all of you written here 38. Sir, the camera is zooming, that's why I am not seeing the full board. Okay, camera is doing autofocusing. Sometimes it's makes zoom this automatically, it's not in my hand. Okay, so I can't do anything. I think it's okay for you. Sometimes it's make automatically. It's autofocusing. I tried several times to make it off autofocusing, but it wasn't possible. Okay, so let's say 38. All of you have written, I think more than 50 students you have written 38. So let's start to solve it. Okay, so solution. Look at that, how I solve it. Okay, 144. 144. Okay, we are using prime factorization method. So using prime factorization method, method. Okay, so look at that, 144. Last number is 4. Of course it is an even number, so we can divide by 2 easily. Okay, so 1 is not possible to divide by 2. We are taking 4. It is 14 divided by 2, it is 7 here, and we are going to next one. It is 4 divided by 2, it is 2. Okay, and we are going to again next one. It is 2 here. 4 divided by 2, it is 2. Okay, student who understood this method, how I am dividing, it's okay. Or you can do like this, 144. Okay, divide by 2, so 7 here is 14. Okay, we can take 4, it is 2. Okay, and again you can take 4, it is 2 here. Okay, you can do this way also, it's okay, no problem. Okay, it will take little time to divide this quickly. It's not very easy all the time. Okay, so again I'm dividing by 2. Why I'm dividing by 2? Because here this last number, I mean last digit, this ones place digit is even number, so we can divide easily by 2, of course. So 7 divided by 2, it is 3. So 3 into 2, it is 6. So we have 1 remaining. 1, 2, it is 12. 12 divided by 2, it is 6. At the time, both method, I'm using this quick method, and I'm using also this regular method. So if you comfortable with regular method, you can use that one. Okay, so here 12 divided by 2, it is 6, and 2 divided by 2, it is 1. So look at that, how I divide. 722, I'm dividing by 2. So 7 divided by 2, it is 3. Okay, so it is 6 here. 7 minus 6, it's 1. Here is 2. Here is 6, 12, and we are taking 2. It is 1 here. Okay, I hope all of you understood. And 361, and you know that 361, which number? 361, already last class we discussed. If we divide by 17, I think it will be 361, I think so. 17, not 17, what it is? I think 19. Okay, I think it will be 19. It is 361, right? 19 into 19, it's 361. Is it okay? Okay, 19 into 19 is 361. Okay, easily we can write. So now we can write, look at that here, 144 444 equals 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, equal into 19 into 19. 19 into 19, we can write 2 into 2 pairwise, we can write, okay. So 19 into 19 here. So when some student make a mistake here, sometimes they have written in the first line, they have written square root here and they have written like this, okay. It is not possible and it is not correct, okay. The way I am writing, it is 100% correct, okay. So you have to write in the exam this way, okay. Don't write your own way, just don't write like this. No, it is wrong, okay. Okay, my dear student, I hope all of you understood what I am telling to you. This sometimes you made a mistake here, okay. Your seniors, some student, they make mistake like this, okay. So you don't do this. And next line you can write like this way, okay. Square root of 144 equals, you have to take one number from this pair first, every single pair, 2, and one number from here, 19. So 2 into 19 equals 38. So student who written 38, all of you are 100% correct. So congratulations and thank you so much, all of you who gave the effort and who solved this one, okay. Thank you so much. Okay, yes, 38, it is 38, okay. Thank you so much, all of you. Okay, then we can start this division method. Okay, let's start division method. Okay, let's start division method, what it is actually. So division method, we are going to start division method. Okay, division method. So first one we have completed. So we are starting division method. How to solve division method? Okay, I am not telling every single just procedure. It's difficult. I think it's difficult to understand even. I am just trying to explain you through the maths. Okay, I think it's easier for you. So let's see this same problem. The same problem we can solve using division method. Look at that how we are solving. Okay, same problem. The same problem, look at that here. Here is 144, I mean 1444, 1444. We can solve this problem. Result will be same. So look at that 144. We have taken that number 1444. The first work, this first you have to do pairwise. Okay, from the right. Look at this is the right position. This is my right hand. So from the right you have to do pairwise. So this is one pair, this is second pair. Okay, if any number here just single one, you have to just remain single one. Okay, so first you have to do pair. So pair from which way? This right side. Sometimes, for example, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, for example, this number you have given, so you have to pairwise from the right, 1, 2, and you have to keep remain alone. Okay, so pairwise starting pairing, I mean this pairing starting from the right side. Okay, don't do like this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't do like this. Okay, it will be wrong and you can't solve using this method. So first condition of this method, you have to pairwise of all numbers which you have given in a number. So you have to pairwise from the right side. So you did it. Okay, already we have done it. Very good. Okay, after that you have to do one this perpendicular line. You have to draw one perpendicular line in the right side. Okay, and next you have to consider this one is the first pair. This first one from the left, you have to consider first one. Okay, first you have to pairwise from the right, and after that, after perpendicular line, you have to consider this first pair. Okay, here is 14. So in the 14, which number goes with it? This, for example, 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 3 it's 9, 4 into 4 it is 16. So if we take 3 into 3 it is 9. Okay, 4 into 4 it is 16. So if we take 4, this 4 will be bigger than 14, so 4 not goes with that one. Okay, So we have to take 3. 3 into 3 is 9. So we have to put here 3 in this part. Okay, so 3 into 3, it is 9. We are putting here, and after that we have to draw a line here, and we have to subtract from 14. We have to subtract 9 from 14. Okay, so if we subtract 9 from 14, what it is? We will get, I think, 5. Okay, and we have to take from here or numbers. This number must go pairwise, not a single number. Okay, so we have to take this 44 here pairwise. Keep in mind. Okay, not a single number. It cannot possible to take from this part. So again we have to draw a perpendicular line, and we have to take, here is 3, double of 3 equals 6. So we have to take double of what number we have written here. In other maths maybe we have to write different numbers. So what number we have written this part, we have to take double. All of you understanding what I am telling to you? You have to take double here. So 3 into 2, double means this 2 times. So 3 into 2 is 6 here. So now we have to think what is possible to put here. So if you think this 7 times, for example, just you are searching a number, which number is appropriate in this part. So for example, if you put 6 into, here is 544. So if you put here 6, here is 6. So if you put, for example, 7, so you have to put here 7. So if you put here 7, you have to put this same 7. So you have to multiply 67 into 7. So if you multiply 7 into 7, what it is? 7 into 7 is 49. We have 4. Is 6 into 7 is 42 and 4 46. 42 and 4 46. So it is 469. So we have more numbers. So we can take one more. So we are taking 68. So when we have take 68 here, we have to put same number here, and we have to multiply it 8 into 68. So 8 into 68. So look at that, 8 into 8 is 64. We have 6. Okay, 6 into 8 is 48 and 6. 48 and 6, 54. So we got our required number. So look at that here, 444. So it is done. I hope all of you understood. Write in the comments. It's not very easy. It's not common for you. Okay, so write in the comments all of you understood or not properly. I did not understand. Okay, no problem, no problem. I also didn't understand. No problem. Some of you have written here. Yes, it's difficult then cleaning. Please repeat again. Of course I will repeat, don't worry. Sir, I did not understand division method. Please explain again. Okay, sir, repeat. Okay. Yeah, I will do it. Don't worry, I am here for you. If you don't understand 10 times, I will repeat again and again and again. That's kind of patience I have. Okay, I like it. But there's one requesting, I'm just one request to you, all of you, don't discuss with you. Okay, within you. Don't discuss, because it's just it's make deviation, your concentration deviate to is another topics. Okay, just concentrate the class, what I'm telling to you, what it is, what is the procedure. Okay, through the maths I'm telling you. First you have to pairwise. Number 1, you have to pairwise this one. Okay, what number you have given. For example, here this number contains 4 digits. Look at that, 4, 444 and 1. Okay, 4 digits. So pairwise, it's every single number is pair. Sometimes it is 7 digits, so 7 is not possible to pairwise. So you have to start pairwise from the left. Okay, you have to start pairwise from the left. So here is 4 digits, so 2 pair already is very easy. So here you have started from right side. Okay, so first pair, second pair is gone. First task done. Okay, listen to me carefully what I am telling to you. And after that you have to draw a perpendicular line. Okay, perpendicular line, you have did it. Okay, you have done it. And after that you have to consider this first pair. Do you understand? You have to consider this one is the left. This is left first one. Here is pair. Sometimes it's individual number maybe. Okay, so this one is first number is 14. So in the 14, which number go with that? Which number? So for we need to multiply any number we have taken. For example, 2, 3, 5, whatever. Any number we have taken, we have to multiply by itself because we are finding square root. Okay. So any number if we have put here 3, so we have to multiply 3 by 3, it's 9. If we put here 4, we have to multiply 4 by 4, it should be 16. If we put here 2, we have to multiply 2 into 2, it must be 4. All of you understood? So we have seen here what we have written. We have seen here if we multiply 3, if we put here 3, we have to multiply 3 by 3. So 3 into 3 equals 9. So we have more. Okay, 3 is not sufficient for 14. We can just check another one. Okay, we go just one step ahead. Here is 4 into 4. It is 4 into 4, 16. Okay, 16 is more than 14. So it's also not go with that one. Okay, so we are just thought that 3 is sufficient for 14 because if we take 4, it is go more. If we take 2, it will become more or less. Okay, so we thought 3 is okay. We have taken 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. We put here 9. So we have to subtract. 14 minus 9 is 5 here. All of you understood? 14 minus 9 is 5 here. And after that, we have taken 4 at a time. Why? This is the rules of division method. You have to take pairwise. Okay, you have to take from this place to here pairwise, not single number. It's not possible. Okay, all of you I think understood. This is the rules of the division method. You have to take pairwise. So look at that here, pairwise sign. I have given. So I have taken 44 at a time. Now you have to check which number is appropriate for 544. So how you have to check it? This what? So here is 3. So you have to take double of 3. For example, here is 4, you have to take 4 into 2 means 8. For example, here is 7, you have to take 14. Here is 9, you have to take 18. Do you understand? What number first you have put here? What number you just think that number is appropriate in first step, and in second step you have to take double 2 times. Okay, you have to multiply it by 2 and you have to put here, and after that you have to thought which number I have to put in the right place of that number, which is and we have to multiply same number, not 38. We have to multiply by 8 or 7 or 6, which number we are just thought it is appropriate for that number. Okay, and look at that here. We checked this 7 times. First we have to we put here 7. Okay, 7. We tried this 7 into 7. It's okay or not? We have seen here 469. So here is 544, but here 469. So it is more. We have to check this one step ahead. Okay, and after that we goes just one more. It is 68, and 68 into 8, it is 544, which is exactly matched with that number. Okay, all of you understood now? Just write in the comments everything is okay for you now or not. Okay, sir, I understood. Yes, like this. Yeah. Already I have shown you. Okay, yes, sir. Very good. Yes, sir, understood. Okay, no one has written here, I don't understand. So I think so far all of you understood what is division method. We will do 2-3 problems more. I think all of you will be clear very easily. Okay. Yes, sir, understood. Sir, please repeat once more. Once more I have to repeat. Okay, no problem. Shampaghosh, you have written Shampaghosh ID. Maybe you are using your mom's ID, I guess. So who written from Shampaghosh ID, I am just repeating again, no problem. if one student, until one student, if you write I don't understand, I will repeat again and again in different way, okay, with my level best. Okay, yes sir, understood sir, very good. Okay. Fayaz Rahman, you have written sir. At this moment I am starting algebra. Why I have starting algebra? Okay, understand. Thank you sir. Thank you sir. Tabib, you have told, you have written, yeah, you understood. Okay, most of you, I think 1 or 2 students you have written, you don't understand. I will explain it, no problem. Okay, most of you we have written, okay, understood. Very good. I am happy to see your all comments and everything. Okay, so let's see, we can solve this another number. Okay, which one I have to take? 1521. Okay, it's also be easy, I think. Okay, so this one we have done already. So look, 1521 using division method. Okay, using division method, 1521. This one also just 4-digit number, so easily we can pairwise. First we have to pairwise from the right position. So look at that here, 1 2. Okay, so 2 pair here. Then we have to draw a perpendicular line. Okay, we have to work on this first pair from the left. Okay, we have to work on first pair from the left. Okay, if we get this single number, of course we have to work on single number from the left. Okay, if we get. Okay, so here is 15. So which number go with 15? Just write in the comments which number is go with 15. 15 is 3 into 3 is 9, 4 into 4 is 16. So 16 is not possible, so we must take 3. So we have taken 3 here. So look at that. If we take 2 here, so we must multiply 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, if we take 3 here, 3 into 3 it must be 9. Okay, if we take 4 here, okay, so 4 into 4 is 16. So 16 is more than 15, so it's not possible. Okay, so we must take this. If we take 4, it's very small, so I think 9 is appropriate for that number. So we have taken 3, so 3 into 3 is 9. We are putting here 9. Okay, so 15 minus 9, it is 6. Okay, and after that we have to take 21 at a time. Not possible to take 2 and after that 1. No, it's not normal division. Okay, so we have to take this 21 at a time. So 21 here. So 3 into 2, double. Okay, double means 2 times. So 3 into 2 is 6 here. We need to multiply it by 2. So 6 we put 6 here. So what we have to put now? Which one is appropriate? Okay, tell me anyone which one is appropriate for that. Okay, look at that. Which one is appropriate for that? We have to check it. Okay, we have to check it which one is appropriate for that. Okay, so look at that here. Here is 1. So which one is appropriate? We can put here 1 into 1. For example, if you put here 1, you must put a same number here for getting 1. Okay, for getting 1, we can put here 9 into 9 is 1. Okay, so you can just put here 1 or 9. We can check it if 9 is okay or not. So if we put here 1, so 1 it becomes 61. So 61 into 1 equals 61. So which is far bigger than 61. This 6 to 1. Okay. And after that we are checking just 6 9 into 9. Okay, what number we are just intending, or we are just targeting to put here, we have to multiply by same number. So I'm just thinking, okay, and you also think like that. So we are just thinking, if we put here 9, because 9 into 9 is 61, 9 into 9 is 81, so we get easily 1. We are just checking. So 69 into 9, if we multiply 9 into 9 is 81, we have 8. So 6 into 9 is 54, and 8, what it is? 62. So look at that, 6 to 1, easily it's matched with. So we can put here 9, here is 9 also. So 9 into 9 is 81, we have 8, 6 into 9 is 54, and 8, 62. Okay, so that our required answer, I think 1521 root over equals 39. If you understand this method properly, I think you will feel this division method is easier than this prime factorization method, because prime factorization method takes long time. If you get this big number, it will take long time, again and again, division. Okay, it will kill your time. But is division method, it's very easy if you understood. This condition is you have to understood. If you concentrate in the class, if you try to just hear what I am telling to you, okay, I think it's not very difficult to understand. So all of you write in the comments 69, yes, 39. So 39 is the correct answer. Okay. Yeah, very good. This math is so easy. This easy math, we will do some easy math. After that we will go to this difficult math. Okay. And tomorrow morning, I think we have just Zoom class for boys. So we will practice just using prime factorization method and division method. Lots of problems we will try to practice. Okay, how many problems it's possible, we will try to maximize to solve our problem. We will try to use this maximum use of our time. Okay, and for girls, it's not possible. I think you have Zoom sessions with Timmy Miss. Okay. Or explain again, no problem. So look at that here. First we have to take pairwise. So this is one pair, this is two pair. Okay, second pair, and after that here, look at that, from the right side we have to think this one is the first pair. So we have to think which number is appropriate for that first pair. If we take 2, just I'm checking, okay, randomly you can check. Here is 15, so I think easily you can understood. Okay, 15, the number is 15, so which number is appropriate for that 15? Okay, 4 into 4 is 16, so it's more than 15, so it's not possible. Okay, for example, here's first pair is, for example, 60, so which number you have to take? For example, just think like that, this number is 60, so which number is appropriate? This 4 into 4 is 16, 5 into 5 is 25, okay, or 7 into 7 is 49, so we have more numbers. Okay, so 8 into 8 64, so 8 into 4 60, 8 into is not appropriate, so we have to take 7. So that way you have to think, okay, which number is appropriate for first pair and so on. Okay, so here is 15, so I thought, and I have checked here, his 3 is appropriate for that, so 3 into 3 it's 9 here. Okay, so and after that 15 minus 9 is 6. Okay, and I am taking 21 at a time, pairwise. It comes pairwise, not a single number, it's not possible. Okay, so 21 I have taken at a time. Here is 621. So now we have to think. First we have to just take, here is first already we got 3, so we have to take double of 3 here. Double of 3 is 6. Okay, after that we need to think. We have to think which number is appropriate for that position. Okay, what number we will put here, this position, so we have to put same number here. This position and this position must be same. This position and this position must be same number. Okay, and we have to multiply again both of this number by 9. We have to multiply and we have to put here. Okay, and that way we have to check again and again, and the same process repeat again and again. Okay, this first class, that is why I'm just containing this very easy problem, and after 2-3 classes I will take little big number, little hard number to you to check you. Okay, or all of you understood or not. Okay, just write in the comments everything is okay or not, my dear student. I think our time almost finished. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, so now I'm just giving you your homework. Okay, just last two classes I discussed about theoretical stuff, and today I solved these two methods how to find the square root. Okay, today I'm giving you homework, so you have to do it at your home. Okay, so look at that. What is your homework? And this one is not possible to discuss, inshallah. Next week I will try to discuss. Okay, this one is remaining. Okay, after I think tomorrow's session I think Zoom session. So in Zoom class I won't discuss any new topics, new something, because all girls will missing this class. Okay, so don't worry, my students of female students. Okay, don't worry about that. I won't discuss any kinds of new topic. I will just practice just related to these two methods. Okay, and later you can watch it from I have one channel, of course I will upload it. Okay, if you want you can watch it. If you feel this is beneficial for you, you can watch it, you can subscribe it. It's totally up to you. I am not telling you just subscribe it. Okay, it's totally up to you. Okay, so homework I am giving. Homework is exercise 1.1. okay, question 1 and 2. okay, using both methods. Okay, do you understand what is your homework? This first questions I think contains 5 questions, 5 or 4 questions. How many questions? 4 questions. Okay, first one, number 1 contains 4 questions. Okay, number 2 contains 4 questions. Every single number you have to solve using 2 methods. First you have to use this prime factorization method, and after that you have to use this division method. It's all problems it's possible to solve using 2 methods. Okay, so how to do it? First you will do this prime factorization method. This one number, what number you have given is a, for example. Okay, and after that you have to solve using division method. Every single number is 2 methods. Okay, do you understand? So here is given 8 numbers, you have to do 16 times. So 2 methods, every single number is 2 methods, so you have to use this 16 problem. I think do you already all of you understood, I hope. Okay, my dear student, thank you so much for your patience, for your attending in the class. Okay, we are really grateful to have you, all of you, in our classes. Okay, thank you so much. See you tomorrow or next classes, inshallah. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.